Welcome, here I've got Vivo V21 5G and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera and one of them is the slow motion, so let's pick it. Here we are, now we can start recording this type of video by simply tapping on this big button, the shutter, so let me start to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button to see the video. Let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery, and here we can play our video by using the center button. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.